Welcome back to day number 24 here on Stephen Vlogs NC. It is now daytime again, and I have turned the render distance down back to the minimum amount. And I need to put these copper ingots in this chest. And after I get everything unloaded, actually I'll take a few of these. I'm going to go over there to the pig farm. Okay, I don't know why do I have a pumpkin seed? I bet I picked it up over there in that pumpkin patch. Alright. I'm going to help if I hit the right button, wouldn't it? I'm going to venture over to the pig farm, and actually I'm going to turn my render distance up for just a minute. So I can see where exactly the pigs are. And I'm thinking there might be a better way. I could just take my ladder down there and build a walkway over there so I don't get stuck. I'm going to take my ladder, which is only accessible from inside now. Okay, I gotta hurry because I know nightfall is coming. And I've got cobblestone, so I can build something over there. I might want to take a little bit of wood. Oh, I do want to take these fence. I'm glad I looked in there. And everything else, I can get more wood. I don't want to take all my wood from over here, just in case something does happen and I lose it. Okay, let's go. Gonna take the quick way over there. That way I don't have to climb down this mountain and back up and all that. If I had been thinking, I should have brought a door to put. I do want to make this a permanent access way from the ground. I want to make a door eventually that will lead up to the top, which is actually right in here. I don't remember exactly where it was. Oh, I bet this is it. No, I bet this was the bottom of the seafloor because I put that diorite. Okay, I bet it was back here. This is where I want to be. Oh yeah, I think this is it. Sure enough, there it is. Okay, where's my pickaxe? I'm going to make this a permanent stairwell while we're here. Because oh, I thought that was something that was going to kill me. It's a bat. Okay. I do want to make this a permanent stairwell so I can get up in here easily. But I don't have a door with me, so we're going to have to wait on that. I'm just going to put a piece of dirt and there. And that way I'll at least know that's there, so I can get down in there. And there's the pig farm. Well, that's what I'm calling it. It's not technically a farm right now. I'm going to try to make a path on the dry ground so I can easily get over there quickly in the dark, because I don't want to get stuck over there like I did last time. I got trapped over there in the dark. Okay. I can just go along the bank of the water. Uh-oh. That wasn't planned. Okay. I hope it doesn't get dark. I'll just dig with my hands for now. Hopefully Well, let me just, I'll come back through here in a minute. Let me go place my crafting table down. I might wait on that pathway anyway, because it's clear enough for now for me. Alright, here we are at the pig farm. I'm glad I brought these fence pieces. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I think I explained this before, is, see, the pigs can be up here, and once they go over this fence post and drop down in here, they can't get back up over the fence. So I'll probably try to lure them over here and get them all bunched in this fence, and then I'll be able to start farming them. First, we need to make a, I think this is a big enough rectangle for now. I can add on to it later. So technically these fence posts are 1.5 blocks, which makes it, see, I had to dig out a little bit so I could get on top of them. There's our first victim right there. And I want to build this up. So like I said, then the pigs will just fall down in there. And whatever else, cows or chickens or whatever else. Although I think chickens might be able to, they might be able to fly over the fence. I'm not sure about. But I know pigs and cows will fall in. Does he see me? Okay, there he is. And now I also forgot one thing. What I do want to do is put this outside the fence so they don't climb on top of it. I forgot to, ooh, placing the wrong ones. Okay, I want to make a fence gate, which would be, I don't remember exactly how to. I think this is how you do it. No, that's a fence. That's a regular fence. Must be 2 planks in the middle and then surrounded by sticks. There's a fence gate. That's what I want. That's so I can get out of here. But the pigs will still be stuck in here. And I'm just going to put that at the front. Well, I can't put it in the middle. I'll just put it right here. I know this pig's going to try to escape. Well, we can get him back in if he does. And now I can jump out, close the gate back, and he's still stuck down in there. And notice when I stand up on top of these fence, let's see, how do I change the, well, when I was trying to change the view. I thought that was F5, but maybe not. When I stand up on top of these fences, I go up a little higher. So it's pretty interesting to me that, oh, what am I doing? It's interesting that those fences are technically 1.5 blocks. So you can easily capture, I made the wrong thing. So you can easily capture animals and such. Now I am going to make just a small stronghold over here. And what I'll probably do is, The sun is probably getting close to going down. What I'll probably do is just dig down into here. And this is what you're not supposed to do in Minecraft. Dig straight down like that. But I'm probably gonna make a small base under here. And that pig is still up there. Whoa! Sounded like an Enderman. Okay. I'm gonna get some torches. And I do want to put ladder right there, so that's not a great place for a torch. I didn't think about, see if I can, whoa. I think I put my crafting table over this way, didn't I? Now I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna make some torches so we can see what we're doing. Okay. I don't know where my crafting table is. Oh. There's an apple up there. Oh. Okay. Okay. I guess I just didn't remember. I put my crafting table up here. On top. I thought I put it in the ground. But we'll fix that. Oh, did I get that apple? Might as well grab it while I'm up here. Oh, and sticks. Okay. Ooh. Don't like to fall like that. So this is the edge of the fence. Well, I really could just dig underneath the fence. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. That way I'll know where my border is. I'd like to dig straight underneath. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. Oops. I don't want to dig that one out. That pig is probably so confused. I don't have another shovel. What did I do with that crafting table? I didn't put it back in, did I? What I'll do is I'll just put it right here in the corner. And that way I can reach up there and grab it from either side. Let me get this cleared out. Okay, I want to put up some fence. Well, I could. I don't know if they could jump over that fence. If I took that fence gate out and put ladder right here, I don't know if they would be able to jump over that. What I might do is just put ladder up. Well, I'm not sure. I want to put ladder up somewhere so I can get up there easily. I want to be up be able to get up there, but I don't want the pigs to be able to get down. There's a hole in the floor there. Okay. Oops. Went too far. I'm going to try to be distributing my light evenly now that I have enough coal to make torches. Although I do want to be conservative with my torches. I might try to find some more coal while I'm down here. And I want to put up I was going to put up cobblestone walls, but since I'm digging down here, I may still put up some cobblestone up there, up top. For now, I'm just going to keep digging. Actually, I might try to do some mining while I'm here, because I know this will be better than digging up there where my house is, where the bottom drops off. I don't know why I had the great idea to build my house on top of a ravine. I'm going to go ahead and probably just mine because it's so dark outside. I will build those ladders real quick. And that way, I'll have a way to get out of here easily. So 3 ladders should be enough. Oh, that's right, I need that. Okay, if my fence gate is right here, I don't know if I can get out or not. I'm curious about trying it. You know, I think it'd probably be better for the pigs, to keep the pigs from getting down here. Probably be best if I just go through this wall. Whoops. Go through this wall and go up like this. Okay, there we go. Now I can go down and still get back out with this fence gate, and then I can go down this ladder if I need to get down underneath. Now I'm just going to cover this up and leave this dirt path under here. I don't even know. I was thinking about just making myself a safe place for right now, so at least the zombies and spiders and things can't get down in here. Now I'm going to do a little bit of mining before the sun comes up. Not getting any coal so far. I saw some stuff up there on top. Looked like iron or it might have been copper or one of those. I don't think it was iron. I think it was copper. It was one of the new things in the updates, because I'm not familiar with those coppers and all that stuff. We didn't have that when I was playing. Oh, well, speaking of copper, I believe that's what this is. Is that what that is? Raw copper, yeah, okay. There's quite a bit of it. Now, I think I mentioned, I don't know what to do with granite, except maybe burn it and make it into something fancy for my house, but I don't care about stuff like that, especially not in a game. Alright, I think I mentioned that, see what? Yeah, I have copper, okay. I don't know what I was going to say. There was something about copper. Oh, that's right. I was doing some reading about copper in Minecraft, and it said you can make armor out of it, and you can make tools and swords and things. It's getting dark in here. So I might try to make some copper tools. And I just put all these ingots in my chest in my house, so I can't do that right now. Well, without risking getting hurt, because my house is over there on the other mountain. And y'all know, if I try to venture out there tonight, chances of me coming into contact with a zombie is pretty likely. Well, I was hoping I'd find some good coal sources down here. Haven't hit a single piece of coal yet. What I'll probably do is just take all these torches back up with me. That way at least I'll have some torches. And I know I have a few pieces of coal, maybe 30 pieces of coal over there at my house. But I just try to be conservative. Oh, is this iron? Yeah, it sure is. Okay. Well, I'm not really sure. I'm kind of conflicted on this. This might become my main mining place. Since my house is up there on that mountain, it's hard to mine up there. I might just mine all the way down to bedrock here. And then I'll do some strip mining on the floor of the bedrock. And I don't know, I know I've mentioned it before, I don't know how in the world to get those coordinates up here. I used to hit F3 and it would show my coordinates and how deep I was and the XYZ and all that stuff. But I don't know how to bring that up now in this new version. So I guess I'll just keep digging and eventually I'll hit some bedrock. Unless I'm just digging for eternity, I don't know. Surely they still have bedrock in this game. I don't think they've changed it to that much. Now, it looks like this is getting darker. It's still granite, I guess. So this is granite. See, and when I first started playing, we didn't have granite, we didn't have diorite, we didn't have all this copper and fancy things. It was just basic things. So I'm having to get used to all this new stuff like granite and diorite. I never really... Wait a second. What is that? What is that? Cobbled deep slate? That's something new. Cobbled deep slate. I don't know what that is. Is that bad? It might be about time for me to go. Deep slate. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so what I'll probably do is... Wow, that must be something new in an update as well. What I'll probably do is make this my main mining area. Like I said, since my house is so far up off the ground, it's going to be hard to mine in that area. And once I hit the bedrock down here, I will most likely start strip mining and continue my pig farming up above. And it's already light outside. I need to go. Oh goodness, the sun's already up. Oh man, the sun's already above. Okay, I gotta go. I'll see y'all tomorrow.